Hey everybody, quick video on pasture management technique that we use here on the farm. So we don't spray and we don't spread synthetics or any other type of chemical fertilizer on our pastures. And so those of you familiar with forages, pasture forages, can see that this is not an ideal spot through here. So to kind of give you a scale of what we're working with here, here's a 300-gallon water tank. So what we're gonna do is we'll place this water tank. Our cows are gonna be strip grazing right over here. So they're confined between this poly wire. You can see the backs of some of the cows right there, and a fence, a permanent boundary fence that's just beyond them. So what we do is we'll put this 300-gallon tank here, and we will have it to where when they're in this paddock, they're able to access water from there, and then we'll have it where they can access it on this side too once we move them. So we're actually going to go in and we're going to sow some annual forages in here. This time of year we're going to sow forage oats and maybe even some crimson clover, things like that. So those are going to capture a lot of nutrients out of the soil and hold them. And as the warm season comes on, even after they're grazed a couple times, they'll put those back into the soil. So it helps us to improve our fertility in our fields, and it also is going to help us with weed control, because a lot of the things in here, the ragweed, the broom sage, a lot of these things we want rid of. So yeah, as they gather around the waterer, they'll stomp a lot of these down and actually kind of kill some of these weeds. They'll really kind of disturb the soil and really help to embed the annual seeds that we'll plant into the soil. And then they're going to drop a lot of manure in this area too. So we pick out these spots that have things that we don't necessarily want in our pastures, or consistent patches with these undesirable forages in there. And yeah, that's how we choose where to put our waterers, choose where to put mineral feeders and things like that. So hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you find it educational, and hope it helps for you guys to understand how we're doing things, why we're doing things, and what we've got going on the farm. So thank you all for your support. Thanks.